Good afternoon, traders. It's Miami Option with your stock market recap for Tuesday, November 10th, 2020. And looking at the market, today was like a bit subdued. Um, a lot of the tech names were down. S&P, a little, it felt like it was going to sell off a lot more. Then it kind of rebound. And a multiple thing weighing in the market now. You have Trump that doesn't want to leave. You had the Supreme Court that's looking at the Affordable Care Act, and the markets, at least for the spot, is flat. Stocks like Amazon was down a lot, just completely got decimated today, and other stocks like Square were down, and things like Square, it's a buying opportunity. If you see a time where you see Square is like in the 167 price level, I'll definitely buy some. Not put your entire account and just buy only Square, but you can nibble, just to look at Square, where it's come from. In May, it was at $70, so it's come a bit some ways. And also, if you look at a longer dated, let's look at a 3-year weekly. It was once at $32. So the reason why I would recommend this is because people are always using the Cash App, and also as people get a lot more familiar with using cryptocurrency, and they also use Bitcoin as well. So as soon as people get used to using as paying transaction and using cryptos, this right here is gonna fly. And also, I have another stock that I also recommend is, and it's just at its infancy, is J JMIA, and this is supposed to be the Amazon of Africa. Africa is a continent, huge. So even though it's gone up quite a bit at $12, let me tell you, as you continue to nibble on this, you just go in with, say, $10 or $12 every month. You can continue to buy this, or $20, and you buy this for the long run. Remember, when you're investing, you're looking at from 5 to 10 years down. And if you archive this video and look from 5 or 10 years from now, and if you bought JMIA, and let's see if they didn't get acquired, because a lot of times the big behemoth companies like Apple, Amazon, Google, and see the valuation is very cheap, and they can buy a company that's like an Amazon of Africa, and if they purchase this, they'll acquire it. So it'll be good to get started and to put this a little bit in your portfolio. And 20, $30, that's what you're buying your lunch or your dinner with. I mean, if I mean that's cheap, you know. So if you can start and nibble off very small, it can go a very long way when you're investing. And taking a look at the SPY once again, it really didn't do anything today. So you had a lot of names in the market that fell, but the overall market stayed stable. You look at the Qs, just flat, and look at the diamond, and that diamond is the Dow Jones 30. Yeah, it was hot today. You know, names like, what kept it up is Boeing, because Boeing is heavily weighed on the Dow Jones industrial average. So pretty much you had a lot of names like Zoom, Alibaba, that were down a lot today. So the overall market was flat, but what to expect going into tomorrow, you have to always remain neutral in the market. Always remain neutral. Anything to come your way. So do not put no more than you're willing to lose when, especially when you're talking about things like the options. But when you're investing, you want to go small and persistent. Every month you're buying something that you see that's useful in your life. Everyone, say for instance, everyone has an Apple product in your home. So if that's the case, then I need to buy Apple. I'm using it constantly. I'm using Facebook constantly to communicate with people. I'm using WebEx, and that's Cisco product. So if I'm using WebEx a lot more at home and I'm working from home, then those are sort of products that I need to invest in. You know, you got to look at 5 or 10 years from now how the world's going to look in a post-COVID world. All right, guys, enough of my spiel. Once again, this is not for this is only for educational purposes, and this is not investing advice. And so I'll see you guys tomorrow.